Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, New Whiteland, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance relocation occurs when you relocate more than 50 miles from where you currently live. 3 Movers has a solid reputation for providing exceptional long-distance moving services. We devote time, effort, human resources, and moving equipment to ensure that our customers have a seamless and successful relocation. We sort their stuff, separate fragile from heavy objects, wrap fragile items with protective coverings, and put them onto our vehicles. Our movers get extensive training before being assigned to manage your possessions. They are cautious with your belongings. In addition, they are familiar with and adhere to all applicable highway restrictions and transporting clients' properties. When you relocate within a radius of less than 50 miles, that's a local relocation. 3 Movers provides local moving services with the highest possible professionalism. Hence, we advise you to put your mind at ease by allowing us to handle your local moves. Our insurance coverage protects your personal property and financial interests completely. We are familiar with the ins and outs of New Whiteland and also know how to deliver your possessions as quickly as possible to your new destination without complications. Additionally, our hourly rates are pretty reasonable. We charge between $30 and $40 per hour for this service. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our New Whiteland moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.